The 10 Golden Rules How to Deal with Dementia. This video is about the 10 Golden Rules How to Deal with Dementia. Are you working in the medical industry, or do you have somebody with dementia in your family? Watch this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. The 10 Golden Rules How to Deal with Dementia. 1. Never argue, always agree. By having empathy with the patient who has dementia, you can understand the patient much better, and you are able to give more support to that person. 2. Don't complain about the present, go back to the past. At every stage of dementia, try to match the wishes and needs of the client. Tip: in your next shift, consciously consider the question, what does the client actually want? 3. Don't correct, but distract and appreciate. Reduce distractions, turn off the TV and minimize other distractions. Make it easier for the patient with dementia to focus while having a conversation or at mealtime. 4. Focus on possibilities, not impossibilities. Provide simple instructions. People with dementia best understand clear, one-step communication. 5. Nothing must, everything is allowed. Involve the person. Allow the person with dementia to do as much as possible with the least amount of assistance. For example, he or she might be able to set the table with the help of visual cues or dress independently if you lay out clothes in the order they go on. 6. Never ask to remember, but remember together. Provide simple instructions. People with dementia best understand clear, one-step communication. 7. Do not judge the patient, but encourage and compliment. Be flexible. Over time, a person with dementia will become more dependent. To reduce frustration, stay flexible and adapt your routine and expectations as needed. For example, if he or she wants to wear the same outfit every day, consider buying a few identical outfits. 8. Never say, "I said that already," just repeat it one more time. Set a positive mood for interaction. Your attitude and body language communicate your feelings and thoughts more strongly than your words do. Set a positive mood by speaking to your patient in a pleasant and respectful manner. Use facial expressions, tone of voice, and physical touch to help convey your message and show your feelings of affection. 9. Don't make them insecure, but ensure. Respond with affection and reassurance. People with dementia often feel confused, anxious, and unsure of themselves. Further, they often get reality confused and may recall things that never really occurred. Avoid trying to convince them they are wrong. Stay focused on the feelings they are demonstrating, which are real, and respond with verbal and physical expressions of comfort, support, and reassurance. Sometimes holding hands, touching, hugging, and praise will get the person to respond when all else fails. 10. Don't do anything forcefully, it will just take extra long. Take your time. Anticipate that tasks may take longer than they used to and schedule more time for them. Allow time for breaks during tasks. It is always difficult to empathize with dementia, that's why you have to take these rules with you. Some of the greatest challenges of caring for a patient with dementia are the personality and behavior changes that often occur. You can best meet these challenges by using creativity, flexibility, patience, and compassion. It also helps to not take things personally and maintain your sense of humor. This top 10 will give you a completely different view of dementia and how to deal with it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.